So I was trying to connect to this gateway on HF, coming in from 145.30 on this radio. And then it's going to try to go out on that radio into different bands. So now it switched to KH6DK and 14105, and now it's trying to send that out. It's on 14105 on the center frequency, but on the dial frequency it's 1.5 kilowatts below. That's why it shows 103.5. And down here's the modem it's trying to send out on. Not getting a good connection right now, so it'll continue to try until it finds something. Pump up my power here a little bit. Failed to get to that one, so it says unsuccessful. It's going to switch to this one, H7L, and it switched, and now it's calling out on HF. Okay, it's tried to send it to 3 different stations now. Now it's on the, well, it's on the 3rd station now. It keeps switching when it can't make a connection, so stand by.
Oh, Roger, WH6 standing by.
Okay, unsuccessful on that one. So now it's going to switch to a different one on the 40 meter band. I usually do better on 30, so hopefully it'll find a connection on 30. Power. I'm not hearing anything call back, so it's not going to connect on this one either. Okay, it did not connect on that one. Now I'll switch again. Okay, switch to this one, WH6GDC. And you can see it down at the bottom trying to connect. And you can see over here it'll say trying to connecting to. That's the HF side. I don't hear anything calling back, so it's not going to connect either. It goes to the propagation tables that's built into the system to see who it can get to the best. Now it's going to switch over to 80 meters, so I might get something on this one. KH6TU, it's on Maui, I think. Connected to him last night. There we go, hear that? It's connecting. HF is slow though. Slower than UHF, VHF. All right, it's connecting on an HF meter on 80 meters on Maui, so let's see how long this takes.
Yeah, I think, HF kind of slow. I know for Winlink especially, I think it's slow. So I'm not surprised. No.
Said it was unsuccessful to KH6TU, so now it's trying another station. Todd, if you want to go ahead and send a message at the same time, I don't know how long this will take. It wasn't successful to that one station.
No worries, I'm standing by.
All right, it's not going to connect on 40 meters for me. I just don't have a good antenna for that. Kind of blew my transformer out. Alright, well, I'll come back if it starts to connect, because it didn't connect on that. Now it's switching over to 20 meters. I usually have good luck on 20 meters, so let's see if it connects to this one. KH6DK. 14105, 500 dial frequency. So we're simulating an internet down to see if you can pass a message to VHF, to UHF, to HF. So we started on 145.030 and they connected to my node, and then it sensed the internet was out, so it asked the sender if they wanted to send a message via that node anyway, and they select yes on their screen, and it sends it to me, and then my system, my relay system, this one down here, will sense that they can't get out on the node on that channel, so it'll open up the HF side down here and it'll send it out. So now it's trying H7L again. That's the problem with one of the problems with this is if you really have to do this, it could take a while and tie up the radio. But if you got to get out, you got to get out. So the people who don't have HF, they have a way to get out. Pass messages to loved ones or health and welfare messages or whatever. Just got to get a better antenna up so we can get this going, but the software is working anyway. So if I go down here to my view on my logs, message waiting for local pickup, message waiting to be sent. I don't know why nothing's showing up in there. I should have, oh, there it is. This is the message that's waiting to go out. Todd, you can go ahead and try to send it now. Okay, so at least the software is working. It's just the HF antenna is not the best I've got, so I've got to get a better antenna. Okay, so it quit trying. Now I'm scanning.
OWL, this is TOD. Were you looking to me send another message over?
Yeah, you can try to send it again and see if you can make the connection, and it tries to send it out.
Roger. I'm going to forward the last one to you again.
So here it comes in again. It's trying to send this connection out. Move that over to there. that message is still in my outbox, so it's still trying to send it, and it'll keep trying to send it until I stop it. I'm going to see if KH6TOD will come in. You can see he's coming in down here on the UHF VHF radio, and it'll show it coming in here, right there, and it'll also show it on the modem over here, trying to come in. It's a good signal. Okay, so his message came in. And then HF is still trying to connect down here.
Message sent and received for.
Okay, so now let's see if I got his message pop in here. So if I go back to view on my relay and waiting to be sent, in theory I should have 2 messages here. I still only have the one. I'll give it a second, see if it comes in. Probably 2 minutes, because that's why I got it
You
set
want to
for-
try bouncing a couple of digit beats around? Over.
Yeah, you two go ahead and try that while I'm waiting on this to see what's going to happen here.
Okay, Todd, you want to send one to OWL through me? Over. I'm just wondering if OWL is not tied up with what he's trying to do now. But we could digibeat through CMO.
Yeah, I can't open my other system right now.
Roger. Okay, so Joe, we're going to have to digibeat through CMO. Oh, Roger, that's 090 145090. Correct.
Okay, it's still on 40 meters. Now it's switching over. Nope, it's not switching over either, so let me see what happened here. Whenever I get something from TOD, it stops it. Okay, that one didn't come through though for some reason. Alright, we were halfway successful. We're getting there. See, this one is trying to connect on HF. It's not a strong signal, but it's getting there. And that's who it's connecting to KH6TU. Come on, baby, go one time. Sounds strange. AGC all.
Roger. Yep. No, I can't either. It looks like it went from just from you to me. Over. And peer to peer.
Yeah, it's not going to connect. It's connected, but I don't think it's strong enough to stay connected.
Okay, K862D, this is W86GRO. I'm going to send you one through, digipeated through CMO.
Come on, Trimode Relay ARC. Come on, David. Connect. This band works pretty good for me. It takes a while on HF, so hopefully it'll hold up long enough. Propagation will hold up long enough. And we'll see it leave the outbox. Hopefully. But I can go up here and run a compute route on this one. It'll tell me, yeah, that's the wrong one. Let me go back to, I don't want to mess with that right now. Staying connected longer this time than it was, so. It sounds weird though.
That was a straight Winlink message, so are you still set up as peer-to-peer, over?
Should I turn my camera around?
Roger, but on the top up where it says Laura FM Winlink, does that say peer-to-peer, over? Okay, let me try it again. I've got, let's see, I'm in Digipeater, K86TOD via W86CMO, frequency is 1450900. Don't see why it wouldn't go. Let me try it one more time.
Come on, hang on there. Stay connected. I don't think it's going to connect.
Roger, yeah, because what it says on my end is I'm seeing it says Winlink features required, disconnecting. Winlink features required. Incoming SID is inbound. So I don't know. I'm not sure what that means.
Means either a call sign is wrong or you're on the wrong message type. I think that means you're on the wrong message type or wrong call sign enter.
If I look across the message line, it says source is W86GRO, sender W86GRO, recipient K86TOD. And the subject is damage report. Maybe it's a type of message. Maybe there's a problem with that one.
Well, this is on. It's connected. Don't mean it's going to send, but it is connected to the station K86TU. Now the ARC Amateur Radio Club. And over here is the HF modem side. You'd rather have all green in here. I've connected with red in there before though. Come on, don't die on me here.
Let me write another quick message and try sending that. See if it could be something related to that message. There may be some problem with that. Let me try just sending a straight message.
Sounding louder now, but it still sounds weird. Got the attenuator off, amp is on 1, filter 3, AGC is off, data U, the system picks the frequency, and it is trying to connect. It actually shows it's connected, but I don't see any green lines going across here. We'll give it a few minutes and see, because it'll time out eventually. It's only using 30 watts, 35 watts on the radio here to get out. If I go higher. Sounds like aliens talking.
Okay, sending now. Nope, saying the same thing. I'm not sure. Let me try sending it direct and you know, without digipating and see if it'll go that way. Over. That's depressing. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. That's my right session. Correct? No, let me try this.
Well, I'm still connected.
I'll send it to Rob. This gateway and see if you get it through the system. Over.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's transmitting something. Uh-oh, disconnected. Unsuccessful after all that. It was unsuccessful. I was on the wrong trick. Go ahead.
Okay, now it's asking me to confirm that I want to connect to this server.